Good morning from Ahmedabad. This is Vinay here. I'm starting the day two of my Ahmedabad series at the iconic Kalupur Swaminarayan Temple where the Heritage Walk begins. So without wasting any time, let's go. As usual, I am an hour before the scheduled time and I'm waiting for the tour to begin. But until that time, I'll just check around and you can see how beautiful the place looks. Okay, so this is early morning. It's till 6:50, and the shops haven't opened. So I'm planning to have a cutting chai here. Let me take you along with me. So I've done an offline booking here. You can see this is the Ahmedabad Heritage Walk office. Look how beautiful they do it. So beautiful. So I have done with the booking, and now I am going back. This is the ticket. Can you see? Okay, so this is the ticket. I paid 200 rupees. I'm not going for the lunch package. Let's go down. Thankfully, the offline booking was available. I'm done with my booking. Their website doesn't work, by the way, so if you're trying to book it online, you might face difficulty. Thankfully, they accept offline booking. Carry cash. Although Google Pay option is available, I read that they only accept cash for offline booking. The tour is supposed to start at around 8. It's not even 7:30 yet. So I have a lot of time to kill. So I'll just look around and also show you around. So let's go. Okay, the tour has officially started. Okay, I wasn't expecting so many people, to be honest. There are a lot of people actually. I didn't expect to see so many people here. Nevertheless, it's going to be fun. Stick around. Okay, so I think we are stopping here for a briefing. Let's see how it is.
So good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
That's better. अभी 2 किलोमीटर चलना भी है हमें. Right. Welcome to Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad शहर में आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है.
Thank you.
Ahmedabad is India's first World Heritage. Other historical places in India which we visit are the sites. You go to Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a site. Ajanta Ellora, Elephant Cave in Mumbai site. Cities are only two in India which are heritage cities declared by UNESCO. First, Ahmedabad, second, Jaipur. Ahmedabad got the title in 2017, Jaipur 2019. आज जो हम वॉक करने वाले हैं, वॉक स्टार्ट करते हैं हम मंदिर से, एंड करते हैं मस्जिद पे. So the walk itself is called temple to the mosque. मंदिर से मस्जिद. The first is Swami Narayan Temple, built in 1822, 1822 में. Sajanand Swami, the person who started this particular sect for Narayan, he built the temple first. That's why the temple has so much of importance. Where we are standing right now is called Kavi Dalpatram Memorial. Kavi means a poet. So he is a very famous poet of Gujarati literature. He established the Gujarat Vernacular Society. Learning Institute Gujarati language के लिए 1848, 1848. Right now it is known by the name of Gujarat Vidyasabha. Anybody living in Ahmedabad in the group? Ahmedabad में है कोई जो अहमदाबाद में ही रहता हो? ओके, आश्रम रोड पर देखा ही होगा. आश्रम रोड पे एचके कॉलेज है और एचके कॉलेज के अंदर है गुजरात विद्यासभा जिसकी स्थापना कवि दलपतराम जी ने की. तो ये जो कॉर्डन हिस्सा देख रहे हो अप टू द येलो लाइन, देयर वाज अ हाउस ऑफ द पोएट. ही यूज्ड टू लिव ओवर. द हाउस ओपन स्पेस होती. ओपन स्पेस इन लोकल लैंग्वेज की कॉल इट एज शॉप. क्योंकि वहां पे प्लान बोर्ड पे लिखा गया है कवि दलपतराम शॉप. तो ये जो आप देख रहे हो ये कवि जी के घर का सिर्फ आगे का हिस्सा. इट्स अ डमी फसाड ऑफ द पोएट्स हाउस, नॉट ओरिजिनल हाउस, जस्ट लाइक अ मूवी सेट. पिक्चर में होता है ना आगे का हिस्सा होता है, खिड़कियों के पीछे देखो दीवार है, घर नहीं है. घर कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता था? स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द येलो लाइनिंग द हाउस where we all are standing right now is the layout of the poet house और येलो लाइनिंग रिप्रेजेंट वॉल जहाँ जहाँ येलो लाइनिंग है समझ लीजिए वो दीवार है जहाँ पे खाली जगह है that door will come in front which again from where the house started left portion is the courtyard open space in the middle of the house जैसे हम कहीं पे बरामदा कहीं पे आंगन कहीं पे चौकी बोलते हैं okay? जगह अब कोई भी घूमने जाओ पूरी दुनिया में बहुत जगह घरों का कंस्ट्रक्शन होता है वहाँ के क्लाइमेट के हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लाइमेट द हाउसेस आर इन अहमदाबाद फोर हाउसेस आर नेक्स्ट टू ईच अदर क्लस्टर ऑफ हाउसेस आर एक के बाजू में एक घर होने से क्या होगा कोई भी घर में सनलाइट नॉट एनी हाउस थ्रू आउट द डे एंड इन अहमदाबाद तो वो जो दो ऊपर विटामिन इतना सारा सनलाइट 40 डिग्री वाला पूरा साल जरूरी नहीं है भाई तो इसीलिए घर इस तरीके से बना है कि इतना सनलाइट अमाउंट which is needed is the end of the courtyard and is circulating instantly. Now this part is also called a memorial. When we visit any memorial museums, what we will see statue of whosoever it is will be standing. ज़्यादा तो statue standing होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं statue के बारे में जाकर खड़े होकर फोटो वगैरह लेके अपने घर चले जाते हैं. We walk to our houses, but where we are standing right now is a live memorial. Come at the same place in the evening on daily basis. People go to live around the daily gather over here. Ladies sit over there to the house. Children play cricket over here. और देखिए स्टंप गिर गए. तो यहाँ पे रोज शाम को क्रिकेट खेला जाता है. तो ये हो गया लाइव. तो लाइव का फील देने के स्टैच्यूज इन सिटिंग पोस्ट हमने कुछ किया है. सारे बच्चे करते हैं. क्या करते हैं मार खाने के लिए small children love to wear the shoes of the elder father grandfather so when the children play over here they come to the poet sit with him on his lap over here and can step one of the foot inside the shoe of the poet because this is the live memory. If you want to click photographs with the poet you can then we go to the next spot.
So now we are headed to the next spot. I'm pretty excited about this tour. The first spot was so amazing. Now we are headed to the next spot. Let's see what we get to see there.
We Gujarati people are very good, but not when we are on vehicles. So walk on one side, stand on one side. Second important thing, if you are taking picture of any individual person, please take the permission of that particular person. The road we just crossed, the name of the road is Relief Road. Why it's called Relief Road? Because it was actually built for the relief of the traffic. ट्रैफिक के रिलीफ के लिए बनाया था इसलिए रोड का नाम है रिलीफ रोड. खैर अभी उल्टा हो गया है. You come at 11 AM, you cross the road, you get relief because the highest traffic in Ahmedabad is on Relief Road. Then also called Relief Road. Why? Because previously there was only one commercial road in Ahmedabad connects the city center and the railway station. City center means Bhadra Fort, Bhadra Kali Mata का मंदिर. And the railway station, DC Road, अभी गांधी रोड बोलते हैं उसका. Well, that road was stuck with the traffic. British government planned to build this road, which again connects the city center and the railway station. So for the relief of the traffic they built, that's why they simply named it as relief. Nowadays, no relief. This side, अभी देख रहे हो blue वाला cordon किया है. What kind of traffic? DC Road का traffic divert करने के लिए. Calico Dome, owned by Ambalal Sarabhai. Ambalal Sarabhai owns the biggest textile mill of Ahmedabad city, Calico Textile Mill. Ambalal Sarabhai कौन है? The father of Vikram Sarabhai. And Vikram Sarabhai is known as the father of Indian space research, who started ISRO. See, first fashion show of Ahmedabad city was held at this place in 1971. 1971, there was a very famous Bollywood actress named as Parveen Babu. She took part over here because in those days she used to study in Ahmedabad, St. Regis College. From here the main attraction of her work starts pole, society cluster of office. Pole word जो आया है वो एक संस्कृत वर्ड है. संस्कृत में कहते हैं प्रतोली. प्रतोली means a gate. In English we call it gated, enclosed, community living, society with a gate. अब अहमदाबाद में 500 से ज्यादा पोल है. मोर देन 500 पोल आर देयर इन ओल्ड अहमदाबाद. ईच एंड एवरी पोल सम एलिमेंट्स आर कॉमन. What will be the common thing of a pole? A gate to enter it. Above the gate, security cabin. Previously, security guards used to sit over here. Huh? Right now, it's not needed. Why? CCTV. हमने एडवर्टाइज दिया है, हम गेस कर सको. वो तो बोर्ड लगा है. A religious place according to the beliefs of the people. Hindu pole, temple. This is Jain pole, Jain temple. Temples in Jains are called as Derasar. Muslim pole, mosque. A well for the supply of water. And a bird feeder, Chabutro. जिसे लोकल लैंग्वेज में हम कहते हैं. आप सभी को रूट मैप दिया है. Wristband. On both, you will see the same image of Chabutro. पोल का नाम क्या है? खारा कुआनी पोल. मतलब कुएं का पानी खा रहा था. The well over here was having the water salty. That's why they named the society as Salty Well Society. Khara is salty, Kua is well. It belongs to it. Right? This way, we have each and every pole of Ahmedabad. So now we are going to visit Shri Kala Ramji Mandir, temple dedicated to Lord Ram. As it's a home temple, so we are going to visit someone's house. From here,
This is a home temple. It's called Shri Kalaram Ji Mandir, heritage place of Ahmedabad, of course. Look at how rustic this entire place is. This is so amazing. Okay, you have to be careful while walking here. This is a very small lane. Look at the houses here.
भगवान राम के कोई भी मंदिर में कहीं भी जाओगे तो उसमें भी कई चीजें कॉमन होती हैं. Some elements are common in each and every temple of Lord Ram. But this temple has three names. First, statues in black. Second, statues in sitting. Third, you won't see the statue of Lord Hanuman. Hanuman जी की मूर्ति देखने को नहीं मिलेगी. Right? बताऊंगा सर. First unique thing, it's in black. So black is why unique. Black unique क्यों है? Because previously in northern and central India, majority temple will have the statues in white, somewhere in blue. Gujarat state, the monument itself is made out of sandstone. Here available sandstone is in yellow color. That's why the statues will be made out of yellow sandstone. But here the statue is made out of touchstone. कसौली पत्थर से राम जी की मूर्ति बनी है. Second unique thing, sitting. Majority temple you will see Lord Ram will be standing. Here sitting because it is said this is central India. Right now the Lord is in the forest on exile for 14 years. So if he is in the forest, he is sitting on the ground meditating over. That's why the Murti is in Padmasana position. Ramji ki Murti Padmasana position. Third unique thing, no statue of Lord Hanuman because they both haven't met yet. According to Ramayana, they both met in southern India. अभी सीता जी उनके साथ में है. सीता जी के हरण के बाद जब उन्हें ढूंढने जाते हैं राम जी दक्षिण भारत. In Karnataka state near Kishkinda mountain range Hampi, Lord Ram and Lord Hanuman met. So if according to the Ramayana they haven't met yet, how you can see the statue of Lord Hanuman next to Lord Ram? You will see it separately in one corner. They have built it afterwards. In main temple only 3 statues are there. राम जी बैठे हैं, ये साइड पे उनके भाई खड़े उनकी सेवा में लक्ष्मण जी, ये साइड पे सीता जी खड़े. This particular temple is a home temple. We have visited someone's house. And it's not a small house, it's a big house. Big house in local language, we call it as Haveli. More than 20 rooms in this Haveli just on first floor. Kaise? How? We are standing outside the gate of Kharakwani Pole. Gate के बाहर खड़े थे. तो वहां से जो रोड आप चलते हुए यहाँ तक आए, starting from that gate up to this part. On this side is the same house. पूरा एक ही हवेली है. Right? We enter from the back door of the house. We will exit from front. And when we visit any old house, from which part of the house we come to know the actual area of that house. घर के कौन से हिस्से से पता चलता है कोई पुराना घर कितना बड़ा होगा? चौक से, आंगन से, ये वाला है. Right? This particular part. So nowadays, excuse me ma'am, Nowadays, when we call it in modern construction, which we call it flats, this much area we get for 3 to 4 BHK. Right? Anybody from Mumbai in the group? Yeah, they say 5 to 6 in the same space. Now we need to remove shoes over here, then you have to visit the land. Okay, photos are allowed, but a decent kind of photos at every religious place.
Alright, so we are headed to the next spot. Look how old their room is. I'm so sorry. I don't think the camera is doing justice to this place.
Years old. 500 साल से ज़्यादा पुराना मंदिर है. This particular house is more than 120 year old. 120 साल से पुरानी ये हवेली है. This is the main door of the house, right? In this particular door, if you want to lock it, you can lock it from how many places?
Four.
5, right? This is the first, second, third, fourth, and this is the fifth one. Right? आजकल हमारे घरों की दीवारें इतनी होती है, जितना इसका लॉक है सर. Right? This much big door, but you can open this particular door with one of your. You can close it as well with one of your. More than 120-year-old.
How do you open it from the outside?
From the outside also. This is the outside of it. Right. So nowadays, in our modern construction, the house lasts for how many years? The whole house? New construction? 20 years, 30 years max. And the door? दरवाजा कितना चलता है अभी नया वाला? ये मैम ने सही बोला. Right? Some say up to the rainy season. Then you have to again refix it. Right? Then also our mentality is like that. We are living in a modern age. Right? This way from here.
The door, guys, you can see it's mammoth. It's massive. I'm sorry, I'm not getting an external light. Actually, I couldn't carry my GoPro. I actually broke it last night. So I'm using a phone, so there's no external light. Please bear with me. But look at the door. It's massive. But look how beautifully it has been carved. Wow, look at this. Look how beautiful this whole place is.
It's like a jerk of hot dog, shock absorber. And if it's a thick wood has the quality. Termites don't affect this kind of wood. दीमक नहीं लगता इसे. तो दीमक नहीं लगेगा तो wood का lifespan 100-200 years the lifespan is common. Example in front of our eyes, the front part of the house, the facade is standing as it is because it's totally on wood. अंदर का घर तो गिर चुका है. Inside house have collapsed. The front part is standing. And same construction pattern you can see in each and every old house of the port. Brick and wood combination. So my question is why we can see Burmese teak wood over here? Because Burma is far away from here. Gujarat is in the west and that's northeast. और 100-200 साल पहले ऐसा कोई फैसिलिटी नहीं था कि बुक ऑनलाइन करो कुरियर घर पे आएगा. We are not having the facility of courier. Then also here in each and every house it's common. Why so? Business. Why business? Gujaratis are known for business. So many Gujaratis were in Burma before Second World War. गाना तो सुना ही होगा, बहुत फेमस है. मेरे पिया गए वहां से क्या किया? तो पिया रंगून क्यों गए थे? Movies are the mirror of the society. Right now the movie titles have changed. It's Namaste London, New York, London Dream. Chandni Chowk to. We are going there. This way.
Alright guys, apparently we are going to China. It will be very exciting to see China in Ahmedabad. Let's go.
ये खंबा यहाँ क्यों बनाया है? काम क्या करता है? What's the use of the pole? Why is the pole over here? Very sad.
This side.
यहाँ जो
It's for direction, no?
आ साइड जो हमारा हम जो तो बोलिए एरो कम लगा इधर where the wind is going, where, so when it will go on this side, will the arrow move? It's fixed. It doesn't rotate at all. घूमता नहीं है. अगर घूमता नहीं है तो हवा का नहीं है. The arrow doesn't rotate. It's not of wind. Right?
There's some sort of lens or something. No? Yeah. Some mirror is there. I think so.
More than
Look at that.
40 people are there in our group today. I know it need only 20 guests, not more.
Direction?
Direction of what? Relief road is on this side.
North always.
Where is north, south, east, west?
North.
North. This is
South.
south, east. Yeah.
This side.
East west.
Okay, and this is
West.
west. पर अगर ये north हो तो ना, if this is north, then this is east west. But this is east. This is west. This is north. This is south. उसका भी नहीं. Not of that as well. हाँ? Yeah. What significant? Temples are all on the four sides over here in the old city. दरिया अहमदाबाद में है नहीं. But this one पाठशाला. हाँ ये पाठशाला. मैंने पोल का पूछा उसका नहीं. What's the use of the pole? Why they have done the pole over here? ये silver is all sideways और उसके लिए नहीं है. नहीं हवा का नहीं है. वो घूमता नहीं है सर. हाँ वो एरो एक ही जगह पॉइंट करता है. Now what is my question? What is the use of the pole? I have asked about the pole. All are giving answer about the arrow. Why? Second important thing, we Indians don't have the culture to see arrow and go somewhere. वो हमारे खून में ही नहीं है. Arrow देख के कहीं जाने का. Right? So this is the ventilation pipe of underground drainage to remove the bad gas. Because Ahmedabad is also known for its underground drainage system more than 100 years old. This is the ventilation pipe. You can see on the top, two vents are coming out like this. From there, the bad smell is disturbed. So why they put the arrow? To show the flow of underground drainage. That 100 years back, any chockup is there, cleaning is required. How they will come to know where the underground drainage is going? That's why they put the arrow. And you can see the height of the pole at that time, this height was more than enough. There were no multi-story buildings. So no one will feel embarrassed that my house is just next to the vent of sewage pipeline. But the beauty of modernization in front of your eyes, next to the vent, there is a house as well as window. So उसका मतलब क्या होता है?
सारा गैस उनके हैं.
ये खिड़की खुलती नहीं है कभी. This way from here.
This was a very fascinating story about the pole. Apparently, this works as an exhaust pipe. Okay. Now we are headed to the next location. This is the Warli Art. I remember this because I was in Silvassa. I've seen this art. So this is called a Varli art. Wow, look at that. They've done this so beautifully. Okay, look at the house. Every piece of this house deserves to be in a museum, man. Look how beautiful the temples are. Look at the door. Okay, so here's a thing that you need to know about India. India is a country of temples. So if you are coming to India, expect to see a temple in every street. We have a lot of temples all over India. So if you are coming to Ahmedabad, it's not anything different. So it's the same story. You'll see a lot of temples here, but the difference is that it has a lot of culture, a lot of history, and lot of interesting stories behind it.
The town by King Ahmad Shah. Before that, there was a Solanki king, Karnadev. Before that, a Bhil king, Ashaji. Ahmad Shah came over here from Patan. Previously, Patan was the capital. Patan is the city in the northern side of Gujarat. अभी जो नया हमारा करेंसी नोट है 100 रुपी का, उसके पीछे एक स्टेपवेल का फोटो है रानी की वाह. That's in Patan. So he shifted his capital, built the city on his name, Ahmedabad. Muslim king builds any city, end of the word suffix as Abad. Abad means to flourish, to prosper. Ahmedabad. Hyderabad. Sikandrabad. Nizamabad. Hindu king builds any city, end of the word suffix as Pur. Jaipur. Udaipur. Kanpur. Jodhpur. Southern India it's Puram. Tiruvananthapuram. Kanchipuram. Nagar. गुजरात का कैपिटल है. on one side यहाँ पर गांधी नगर, जामनगर, भावनगर. Big forts are called as God. That's why it's Junagadh, Pavagadh, Raigad, Chittorgarh. So Ahmad Shah came up to till date 614 years completed of Ahmedabad city. In this 614 years, all the rulers have ruled on it. After Ahmad Shah, Mughal arrived in India. They ruled on the city. Then came the Marathas from Maharashtra. They ruled Gaikwad, and British. Then also no defensive architecture in Ahmedabad. बड़ा किला देखने को नहीं मिलेगा अहमदाबाद. अहमदाबाद छोड़िए पूरा गुजरात दुनिया. This is the whole state of Gujarat. Gujarat state have less big forts compared to the 3 neighbor states of Gujarat. Visit Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. 100, 200, 300 big forts are common over there, not here. Why? So how many are from Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra in the group? Anybody in the group? Okay, so why so many forts over there? इतने सारे किले क्यों बनाया? कहाँ से मैं? आप कहाँ से हो? MP, हाँ. So the highest fort is in Maharashtra, then comes Madhya Pradesh in India. Why so? Why so many forts? And how many are Gujaratis? Gujarati है कोई group में? Any Gujarati in the group? Okay. So have you thought ever that we want to see any big fort? We go to the neighbor state. We can't see over here. તો આવા બંને આંખે જોડે શું કામ? આપણે બાજુમાં જવાનું અહીંયા જોવા ન મળે? Why so? बताइए ऐसा क्यों? Why so? Why so many forts surrounding not the Gujarat state? किला क्यों चाहिए? Why we need a fort?
For protection. Animals.
Protection.
Right.
Right. So this 3 neighbors state need protection, not Gujarati.
Actually, આપણે સેન્ટરમાં છીએ ને.
એ લોકો મારવા આવ્યો તો કે
એમને મતલબ ગુજરાત
ના એ લોકો મારવા આવે તો આ પીરોને મારવા આવે તો
એના good relations Gujaratis have good relations with everybody.
क्या करते हैं मैम क्या करते हैं good relationship with parents. Hey, Gujaratis are known for business, and if you want to do business, you have to
Have a good relationship.
Good relation.
Good relation. You must be of welcoming nature. And if you are welcoming everybody, why you will build a fort?
True.
Fort is not required in commerce. These three neighbor state people are known as warriors. If you are a warrior, if you attack anybody, chances are more anybody attack you as well. Right? आपको खुद पे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए जो अच्छी बात है कि मैं मार के आया हूँ और मैं मार गया तो सामने वाला भी आएगा. If you are knowing it very well, somebody is going to attack you, you will build a
Fort.
defense for yourself. Second important thing, whosoever ruled on Ahmedabad or India at whatsoever timeline, Gujaratis were the financier of that ruler every time. Some say till date, huh? Some say. It's a common thing. If I give you money, will you attack me?
No.
No. Why? नहीं मानोगे सच में. Check the history, not of Ahmedabad, not of India. Check the history throughout the world. In every history, majority time, one thing will be common. What's that common thing? No king fights with the financer. Right? But it's not like that every time. That every time I provide you money, you get convinced. Sometime anybody can attack you as well. And if you are not built defense, what you will do? यहाँ से भागते वक्त कोई मारने आए, क्या करोगे आप? हाँ? भागो, छुपेंगे. Right? So if anybody attacks in surprising manner, human nature is fight back or flight. If you are a warrior, you will fight back. If you are a common man, you move to a safe place. So we move to a safe place in 10 seconds with the help of secret passage. And where is the secret passage over here?
In the house.
Not secret right now. Not secret in those days as well. Why? Because the person, those who attacks you from outside, they have the mentality about the secret passage. The secret passage will be secret, hidden. So when they will come over here, they will search for hidden places or underground tunnels. So what the people over here they used to do? Make it above the ground, and the door of the passage must look same as the neighbor's door. Simple language we say it, hide in a plain sight. तो ये जो ग्रीन कलर का दरवाजा है, यहाँ पे था ब्राउन कलर का, because this is the brown wooden panel of same design. Same door over here closed like this. Behind this door there is a passage you won't see. Why? Because when you come in such a small space, 9 doors are there. Old doors all are same. पुराने दरवाजे एक जैसे ही बने हैं. You have not visit the whole society. Visit the whole society. There are more than 100, 200, 500,000 doors. और आपको जब कोई मारने आता है ना, वो 1000 दरवाजे नहीं खोलता. No one will open 1000 doors when he attacks you. They will open 5, 10, 20, 30, 40. Then walk back, moving from the main road, reach the next society. Right now you start from here, go by the main road to the next pole. It takes 20 minutes. यहाँ से हम जाएंगे 10 सेकंड में. And in Ahmedabad, whole area 2025 as well, Google Maps won't help you. It's not possible person going by the main road 100, 200 years back, reach the next society. अब हम जाएंगे passage में. Those who are taller than me, mind your head inside. This way, from here.
Okay, so this is supposed to be a hidden tunnel. This is to help people to hide from their enemies in case of attack.
अच्छा बोल रही
Alright, so
चलेंगे.
alright guys, so it has been a fascinating tour so far, and I'm looking forward to the next places that they are about to show. Let's see.
Above the door in the center is a face. एक चेहरा देखने को मिलेगा. The face wearing orange turban on it. It's Maratha architecture. Peshwas used to wear such kind of orange turban. Second house, this one. Center lady is wearing a sari, which is our tradition. A lady and a gent aside are wearing knee-length frock with gumboots on it. This is European culture, not ours. But this is Indo-European. Third house next to it. How can look red bricks? British. Notice the shape of the doors. Arch-type shapes, use of the stained glasses. Fourth house, this one. First floor, all four brackets. Center is the shape of an elephant drum. Elephant drum symbolizes strength. Mazbooti. Side में छोटे अंगूर के झुमके. Aside you see small bunch of grapes are there. Grapes is a Persian architecture. So four different types of house at a very same place, and this type of thing is common in each and every pole of Ahmedabad. Why? Because of business. You travel for business, anybody comes, cultural exchange happen. It's a common thing. और अभी के लोग हो या पुराने हो, हम सारों में तब भी एक बात कॉमन थी जो आज भी है, घरों से रिलेटेड. और वो क्या है? Each and every person want that my house must look something
different.
देखा इसमें सारों का जवाब नहीं था. अरे क्योंकि इंसानों के इतिहास में आज तक ऐसा हुआ नहीं, ना आगे होगा कि किसी ने बोल दिया वो पड़ोसी ने बनाया ना सेम बना दे. Nobody says like that. Everybody wants that my house must look something unique. In those days we were having individual house, so we used to spend on exteriors as well as interior. As we are living in flats right now, so only interior designer comes. This way from here.
Next stop, guys.
So we remove shoes over here. Then you visit the Jain temple. Photos, videos not allowed inside the Jain temple. Eating things, water bottle on the right hand side just after the stairs. Half pant shorts are not allowed inside. Remove your shoes and then visit the temple.
Okay, so this is a Jain temple, but they do not allow shooting. So I am not going anywhere. But if you are attending the store, probably you can go. Okay, so this is a Jain temple, and you can enter, but you have to take out your shoes, and video recording is not allowed. So it's up to you if you want to go inside. But this is what it says. Ashtapad Derasar. Derasar basically means a Jain temple. Look at that carving, guys. This is just a regular house. Can you believe that? And how beautifully the pillar has been carved. Do you see that? Let me zoom it for you. Look at that particular carving. That so beautifully carved. Guys, this is Daisuke. He's come all the way from Japan. This is his first time in India.
Yes.
How do you like India?
India is very beautiful for me.
Very, very beautiful.
Indian food is good for me. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello.
Arthur Shirani, wife of Hati Singh, Kesar Singh. And Hati Singh is a very well-known family of Ahmedabad as well as of India. Of India, our first Prime Minister, named as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His sister was married to this family. Krishna Nehru Pandit. Then you the name of Krishna Hati Singh.
So the ladies have stopped here to buy some jewelry while here. You'll see that there are a lot of jewelry there. But the next stop is ahead. We are going there.
Comes here to buy book, to sell book, to buy second-hand book, to sell second-hand book. Backbenchers Association group student. The student, those who sit on the last bench, come over here in the last week of exam. Why?
गाइड लेने
हाँ?
गाइड लेने के लिए
गाइड तो पहले वीक में भी मिलती है, लास्ट वीक में क्यों आना?
कोचिंग वगैरह
IMP वाले भी बुक मिलते हैं जब कॉलेज स्टार्ट होता है. Why you come in the last week? तो घर में बैठ के बनाना.
पेपर लीक होते होंगे यहाँ पे मिलते
I
हैं.
know that. Okay. पर वो जेरोक्स वाले के वहाँ जाना है. यहाँ क्यों?
पेपर डायरेक्ट मिल जाता है क्या?
नहीं. और अगर मिलता होता तो मैं इतना जोर से नहीं बोलता. Here they come to take book on rent.
Oh,
यहाँ बुक भाड़े पे मिलता है. Right? Means if you are a Gujarati and you need a particular thing only for 1 week, you are not going to invest your money for the whole year in that. It's not a good investment according to a businessman, right? So you come over here, take on rent, give it back, you save 80% on books and backbenchers se on brain as well. दिमाग भी कम खर्चा होगा, right? Bridge name is Fernandez Bridge. Above what is the first commercial road? Ricci Road, nowadays known as Gandhi Road. When this road was stuck with the traffic, British government made relief road. Where we are standing right now, 600 years back, the river used to flow from here. River named as Mane. Small tributary meets in the mainstream Sabarmati. Then the river dried up, commercial shop. Yes. The bridge made in 1884. 1884 up to 2025. कितने साल हुए? 141 साल. 141 years completed on this particular. Just we cross the bridge on this side, there is a blue board, Vidya Book Depot. वहाँ बोर्ड पे देखोगे तो वहाँ पे गुजराती में लिखा हुआ है कि हम बुक भाड़े पे देते हैं. So we Gujaratis are very serious about our business. If we give to content, we advertise that also on our board. This way.
Every single part of Ahmedabad has a fascinating story. It has a fascinating story, trust me. So if you are taking this tour, you are not going to regret, I'm telling you.
Each and every city, wherever you visit throughout the world, every city is divided into 3 parts. First, residential quarter that we visited, Pole. Second, commercial, market, bazaar. Third, old, residential, commercial, both. नीचे दुकान, ऊपर मकान. नीचे पान की दुकान, ऊपर गोरी का मकान. नीचे फूलों की दुकान, ऊपर गोरी का मकान. ऊपर मकान गोरी का ही होता है कि हमारा बॉलीवुड में सभी चीजों पे गाने होते हैं. Right? Here all handicraft maker lives. They make temple beautification items, small clocks for god and goddesses. भगवान की मूर्तियों की श्रृंगार की items they make from their house, sell on their shop. So now you have to say what are the benefits if you live in a hole. If your shop on your ground floor, first floor you live, what are the benefits in that? फायदे क्या है नीचे दुकान ऊपर मकान होने का?
Less travel time.
Travel time zero. मुंबई वालों का जवाब है ये, जिनकी आधी जिंदगी चली जाती है
Traveling.
बैंगलोर में भी यही हाल है अभी तो. Hey, then any other benefit? Gujaratis are known for 2 things. First, to earn. So you get 24/7 hot tea, coffee, food from your house. Yeah, आपने क्या कहा था?
Yeah, customer service.
Yeah, you can give customer service to your customer anytime. Right? एक दुकानदार को क्या चाहिए? More hour of business. ज़्यादा दिन time दुकान खुली रहे. Whole world did it for 1 year in the pandemic. Living in a hole, you do rest of your life. What from? One married lady came in the walk and told me one benefit. She told, if we stay in a hole, we have the biggest benefit of our life. I asked the ma'am, what? The ma'am told, married. हो गए शादी जिनसे होगी उनको ध्यान रखना. Right? The lady told we can keep an eye on our husband 24/7. ओ बाप रे, देखिए सर ने भी ओ बाप रे बोल दिया ये उम्र में. Right? So I said the ma'am, okay, benefit for you. What about the husband? But the main benefit to stay in a hole is if the main person is not there on the shop, anyone from the house, family can come to the shop and at least attend the customer. Because for a businessman, his business comes first. Anything happens, the business must go on. This way, from here.
So now we are headed to the next experience. This has been so far very, very enlightening, and this is one of a kind of a tour. I've never done such a tour. This is the first time I'm taking a heritage walk, and it has been very, very enlightening. I'm very excited. Okay, so this is the first stock exchange of Ahmedabad, and this is the old quarters. It's called Muhurat Pole. Muhurat basically means something which is auspicious, So this building is very amazing. You can see it's architectural wise, it's so beautiful. That's King George, right there at the top. Yes, this is the Manik Chowk, and the guide is explaining why it's called Manik Chowk.
किसने कितने लोगों ने मानेक चौक पहले विजिट किया? हाउ मेनी पर्सन हैव विजिटेड मानेक चौक? जस्ट मेनी पर्सन हैव टू आंसर. कभी ये वाला बोर्ड नोटिस किया आपने? और वो रात को आते हैं ना, उनका ध्यान कहाँ होता है कि भाई वो सैंडविच में चीज डल रहा है या नहीं डल रहा है, वो डोसा पे बटर कितना लग रहा है, ध्यान वहाँ होता है और कहीं जाता नहीं है. तो गुरु मानेकनाथ जी समाधि स्थान, लास्ट लाइन इज द ईयर 1411 when the city was established. So when the foundation of Ahmedabad was laid, 5 holy persons were there. In 4 were Muslims named as Ahmad. One Hindu holy saint was Maneknath. The area is named after him. Manek.
Okay, so this area is basically named after Maneknath ji. Okay, so this is his samadhi. That's what the guide has been explaining so far.
Ask any ladies of Ahmedabad where they can buy good traditional clothes, oxidized jewelry. They say only one name. Garino.
This is
इसलिए मानी जाती
घर पे
बंद है इसकी वजह से. On the first floor you can see a blue door is there. It opens when the shopping area opens 10:30 to 11 p.m. Okay? At that time you can do this. Right now you look at the room of the king. 3 types of graves are there in Muslim. First in English we call it tomb. Here we call it Adiya. Northern India they call it as Maqbara. Where the royal people are buried. Second one for the religious people, holy persons who named are buried is called Dargah, Mazar, Roza. Third one for normal people we call it as graveyard, Qabristan. Hey, inside the tomb, 3 kings are buried. First king Ahmad Shah, who built the city on his name. Second his son Muhammad Shah. Third his grandson Qutbuddin Shah. This way.
Okay, so this is basically a tomb of Sultan Ahmad Shah Badshah, as you can read there. Okay, it's part of the Hazrat Sultan Ahmad Shah Badshah. Alright, so this is where the tomb is located basically. And more than just a tomb, guys. Look at how beautiful the building is.
These girls allowed up to the red curtain, not beyond that. Gents are allowed beyond but need to cover their head with cap or handkerchief. Caps are there on the right hand side window. Photos, videos not allowed inside. You can take from outside. Right? Shorts, half pants not allowed over here as well as the next spot Jama Mosque.
This is what the tomb looks like. Now the challenge is that you need to take out shoes every time when you are entering a holy place. Now the problem is this, the shoes that I am wearing. I don't like to take out the shoe every time and visit a holy place. And apparently girls are not allowed beyond a certain boundary. Reached the last spot is the Jama Mosque. Look how beautifully the carving is. You can see the carving, it's so beautifully done. Actually, this must be made on a single stone, if I'm not wrong, because that's how the pillars in Hampi were made when I was there. Look how beautifully it has been done. The same thing goes for this window. It seems to be handmade, obviously, and this is carved out of a single stone, if I'm not wrong, because usually the carving is done from a single stone. The pillars are, of course, stone, made out of stone. But look how strong and how beautiful it looks. There are lots of goats and cows here. So, yeah. Let's look at Jama Masjid. So beautiful. And that brings us to the end of Ahmedabad's iconic heritage walk, finishing at the magnificent Jama Masjid. Even though camera weren't allowed inside, the serenity and grandeur of the place truly left me speechless. I hope you enjoyed walking through the lanes of history with me. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more unique experiences from India's first UNESCO World Heritage City. See you in the next vlog.